Hi, I'm Neil, and I want to show you the seat covers on the 2018 Polaris Ranger. They look awesome. Silver Dura insert, the Kryptek Raid trim on it. Trimmed out great, and a couple install tips for you as well today. And this is the silver Dura Easy Care insert with the Kryptek Raid trim on it. As you can see, everything trims out really nice. Separate headrest covers up here. And focusing on that. So look really nice there. Both sides. And then so a couple install tricks on this to get this all on right is this seat, so the driver's seat is actually going to fold forward, so you can just pull this one forward. So I just reach underneath and I pulled this clip right there, and you just pull that up. That seat pulls up right there, and you can actually remove this whole seat, and you take this whole seat out, and that just pulls out right there. And this top piece goes down really well, so there's going to be some straps that are going to come down to buckles. Okay, and so then on these buckles right here, you can see how it just goes through those buckles and then cinches up tight on that backrest. And then this bottom rest is going to have some straps as well that go to some buckles underneath here. And these buckles are going to sit off to the side right here. And what you're going to want to do is adjust the seat to how far forward or back you want the seat before you put on the cover, because putting this cover on will restrict it from going forward and back. So what you want to do is adjust it to where you want it, install the seat cover, and then that way that seat cover will stay on nice and tight the whole time there. So there's going to be these two buckles to the straps, and there's also a string that goes around. You just tie that string to itself, and we like to tuck that string underneath this section right here. So it just goes underneath there, ties off to itself, and then we just tuck that underneath those right inside there. Okay, so that's that driver side there. And then moving over to the passenger side. So this passenger side bottom rest just pulls up right there, and you can actually remove this whole bottom section as well. That will pull out, and then you can pull that out, and there are going to be buckles that go to straps, and then also strings around there that you can just tighten up. So that one's really not too bad. And now this one's the one that's a little tricky. Is going to be the passenger, the 60 section backrest. So right here, what you're going to want to do is there's going to be straps and buckles, again, just same system as the other ones. But what you're going to want to do is on these straps, so right here, so here's one strap. So what you're going to want to do is feed it from the back side, hook it in, and then take this end and take that end and tape it to like a hanger or something, and then you can bring it up on the back side and just pull it up. And if your hands can fit underneath there, then you can also just pull it up and cinch it up right there. Okay? And there's going to be a middle buckle right here, and that's going to be the one that's a little tight right there. So you're going to want to tape that middle strap up after you have it hooked through the buckle. Feed it up through there, and then you'll be able to hold on to it and just slowly pull that up and cinch that up a little bit. There'll be another strap on this other end right there, and that keeps it in nice and tight and looks great. Again, on this 2018 Polaris Ranger, trims out really nice on the hair. And again, probably the trickiest part is going to be this middle strap right here, and that's going to be because it's a little tight here on the back side as you feed it down right there, but it will feed down, so you want to just feed this down through the back side. Okay, and you may have to kind of pull the seat a little bit and just kind of let it drop down back there, and again, that'll feed down to the bottom buckle, and then you're going to feed it through that buckle. And then to actually get it to cinch back up, what you're going to want to do is again tape that bottom strap piece to like a hanger, like a wire hanger or a wire or something longer and thin, that then you can push back up through on the underside right there, and then you can grip it at the top and then pull it up and cinch it right there. Okay, so that's going to be kind of the tricky part on that piece, but it'll go on nice and tight once you get it on and not slip around. It's going to be a great cover for you.